Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear cookies and site data on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Click on those dots to open the menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can manage various browser configurations. Once you're in the settings menu, look at the left side panel. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data, cookies, and other privacy-related settings. Within this section, you'll find an option called Delete Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. A new window will appear asking you to specify what data you want to clear. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu for selecting a time range. Choose the period for which you want to delete cookies, whether that's the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Now, this is important. Make sure you only check the checkbox for cookies and other site data. Leave everything else unchecked unless you specifically want to clear other types of data as well. Once you've made your selection, click the Delete Data button. Chrome will now remove all cookies and site data for the selected time period, which helps improve your privacy and can resolve issues with websites not loading correctly. Now, let's move on to Mozilla Firefox. Open your Firefox browser, and in the upper right corner, you'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open Firefox's settings interface where you can customize your browsing experience. In the settings menu, look at the left side panel and click on Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox stores all its privacy management tools. Now, scroll down through this section until you find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on it to open the data clearing window. Just like in Chrome, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top for selecting a time range. Choose the time period you want to clear cookies for. Below that, you'll see several checkboxes for different types of data. Make sure you only check the box for cookies and site data, leaving everything else unchecked. Once you've confirmed your selection, click the Clear button. Firefox will now process your request and remove all cookies and site data for the specified time range. Finally, let's clear cookies on Microsoft Edge. Open your Edge browser, and in the upper right corner, click on the three horizontal dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings to access Edge's configuration options. In the Settings menu, navigate to the left side panel and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section houses all of Edge's privacy and data management features. Within this section, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data and click on it. You'll see a button that says Choose What to Clear. Click on it to specify exactly what data you want to remove. A new panel will appear where you can select a time range from the drop-down menu at the top. Choose your preferred time period, then scroll down to the checkboxes below. Make sure you only check the box for cookies and other site data, leaving all other options unchecked. Once you've made your selection, click the Clear Now button at the bottom. Edge will immediately begin clearing your cookies and site data for the selected time range. And that's it. You've successfully cleared cookies and site data across all three major browsers. This helps protect your privacy, free up storage space, and can resolve various browsing issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.